Today, I'm going to demonstrate how I use the element of form within Photoshop to create edits that look more realistic and visually pleasing. So to begin, I'm just going to create a shadow beneath. Now, there's better ways that you can do a lot of the things I'm going to try and show, but since I don't have much time, I'm just going to show quickly how form can be implemented in Photoshop. This is a pretty simple way just by using brushes, using a black or dark brush for shadows, and then using a light brush for highlights. So it's a very simple way you could create some shadows. For the time, I'm just going to do something like this to create a shadow, which isn't perfect, but it'll give you the idea of how a shadow just like that will create more depth and make it look a lot more realistic and, in my opinion, look a lot better. So I'm just going to add some shadows where they'd be, depending on where the light source would be in the photo. I'm going to say that it's over here, so as it gets towards the end or like the bottom of the battery, the lighting would be less. And then also these edges here, as it curves around, light wouldn't be hitting it as much. So this might be a bit too much, but gives a good idea of how you can implement shadows to create form. And then same thing with a highlight, really. I'm just going to use like a white brush so I can just create kind of like a highlight, something like this, pretty easy. And then you'd want to do the same to other objects as well, kind of blend everything together, make it look a lot better. Another thing is if two objects are interacting together, there would be a shadow if it's something like this. So adding a shadow there can definitely really help make it look a bit more real and like they're actually acting like they're together. So anyways, this gives a quick idea on how you can use brushes in Photoshop to create form and how it can really change the appearance of an object. So thank you for watching.